Well, yeah, Bronx, you live? What time, my girl? Yeah, be so strong. Yo, you live at the Bronx? A Bronx she come from. Can you see how she act? A Bronx. She from the Bronx? Or Brooklyn? From my yard. Why don't the plug idiot boy come from the app and act like say them asleep? No, damn well they not asleep. Friggin' buffoon. Damn Jackie.
Dingo?
You are one.
How do you say your name?
Dingo, baby, dingo.
Okay, repeat it one more time.
At time then, no?
Okay. Now I'm just confused as fuck.
I said at time. It's not friggin' hard to understand what me I say. Yo.
Yeah.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. If we not play a game, what the hell gonna come on this thing here? At time. At time, no man. At time, no man.
What did you just say?
Yo, ooh, girl, yo, my girl, you're pretty, you know?
What did you say?
Me say you're pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Eyebrow them turn up. But girl, not the back now, no eyebrow though. Yo, my girl, put on some light so me can see your beauty. Put on the light so me can see your beauty, you know, cause just hold on. How old are you, sweetheart? How old are you?
I'm 18.
Well, shit, me 20, that good. As long as you're over 70. Hold on, though. You say you're not gonna show yourself and make me see your beauty.
I don't feel like to get it.
So you can't do that for me. Well, that not right. That's selfish.
To be my dick. No, don't lick it.
Yeah, nah, let me talk to you. Like, yo, why you acting like that? You feel me? Like, come on. Turn the light on for me.
Oh, it's started.
Yo, turn on the light for me, that girl. Do that for me, you feel me? Cause I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. Shit.
I can't get up. I cannot get up.
What you mean you can't get up?
My back is hurting.
You can't.
Yes, I can barely move.
Alright, so here's what have me on Snap.
And now I gotta stay my ass in bed.
Alright, so you're not gonna add me on Snap?
Yes, I can add you Snapchat. Bring up this shit.
Alright, send me your Snap. But you better add me back.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, but you better add me back though.
Test me.
I got you feel me? Ooh, hold on, that time. Hold on, turn down the music a little bit. Turn down a little bit. Yo, you look, where you at? You look good in the girl. So you move so strong, like, you move like say you're dead. You're not on energy.
Sorry, what?
You move like say you're not on energy. You alright?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're positive.
I'm positive.
So it looks so down. You look very down. You don't look yourself. Yeah, it's like I can feel the loss of energy.
Really?
Yes, cause you're just dead. You're just hello, like with the energy. You know what I mean? You have to come on and talk to them and say hello, how you doing? You see me? I say like talk to me, girl. Me I try to talk to you, so talk to me.
Okay.
You know what? Yo, like, where your eyebrow them crying, girl? Me say where your eyebrow them? At time now you look like something crazy. Yo,
What's up?
wow, go on, everything good?
Where you from?
Yo, hold on, who this man you talk to?
What?
Who you talk to? At time. Who this man you talk to? And me you talk?
You Kingston?
Why you don't? Yo. So why you just automatically thought I'm from Kingston, bro?
Because you're talking in an accent like you are Dallas, nigga.
No, because no, y'all try to disrespect me, you know. Cause y'all go talk about you're from Kingston.
Look, come on, Charlie Black, like, come on, bro.
Hold on. So Kingston are the only place you know? Kingston are the only place you know?
Nigga, shut up.
For the Waterhouse.
Yo, my girl, show yourself, cause what me I look funny right now?
Oh, what? I'm not tripping, bro.
What?
You that YouTuber.
At time. What YouTuber? Come in and do YouTube.
Don't need cap. I was watching your videos. Like, don't need cap.
No, this is how me go catch it now. So if you watch the video then, what the YouTuber name?
Bro, I can't think of your name right now, but I swear to God, I know it. Don't cap me. I know.
Oh really? So you say.
Yeah.
So you say. So you say.
Bro, hold on. I have a YouTube channel right now.
Alright, so go up on the YouTube channel and make me see no man. But make it
lying, like I know you're
make it quick because time I run out, you know, sweetheart. Time is running out and time no wait for people.
Bro, I just gotta
Wait, start with.
Bro, I can't think of it, but like I've been to Wisconsin like a while.
You see, that's why I'm no saying I'm watching every day them in the mic. God, lie you
But
at
I'm
it.
not gonna cap. I haven't watched your video in like all day.
But me not do YouTube, so we are talking about me.
Why you just say you do it? Cause I know you do it.
No, me not do it. Me have one twin.
You never know twin.
No, I really do have a twin.
No, you would have posted on your YouTube channel that you had a twin.
Why would I post that? We don't live up together. He lives in New York. I live in Georgia.
You're capping. Like I knew.
Homie, I cap.
You're a YouTuber. Just say it. And you be making TikToks and stuff. Like.
What the hell you?
I have to stop.
Alright, but do YouTube. Woof de woof.
Exactly. So why did you deny it?
So yeah, act so fun, man. Just relax yourself. Yeah, babes so strong. Relax. You good? Alright, I'll talk to you. End of the work. Yo, this a girl I got bed. Come on for the app. What's poppin'? Where the fun?
Where you from?
New York. Hard time now?
Where?
I come from New York. Well, I don't come from New York City, you know, but I live in New York City.
Oh, that's what's up.
So where you there from?
Huh?
So where you there from?
In Cali.
You live in Cali? Oh, why there's someone want to come in on my girl? Oh, boy. Want to come to Cali, you know? California, you want to come? Yes. Oh, yeah, guess what? Me say, oh, that's so nice. But guess what? Do a whole bunch of wildfire.
Wait, do you really talk like that?
Yeah, that's what I talk. What you mean?
You know, like dead serious.
Nah, I could talk like this too. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? But
Oh.
we can't break it down a little bit. But we can't just go so. Alright, so what's good? Like, you feel me? Like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you feel me? Nah, but I'll let y'all go. Oh shit, I had the time. I'm sorry. But, you know, yeah.
I would have felt bad if you actually talked like that. We would just see her laughing at you.
What?
I said I would have felt bad if you actually talked like that. We would just sit here laughing at you.
What you mean you feel bad? If I saw me talk, I saw me talk. You never hear one person with an accent before. You just laugh because you think say funny. You think the accent funny, so you laugh. You not hurt me.
No, I was only laughing because I was going to understand what you were saying when you actually wrong.
Me know. I know. But that's how it go, man. That's how it go. That's how it go. That's how it go. That's how it go. But gonna have a wonderful night. You know what I'm saying? Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. You feel me? Alright. Later.
See you later.
Yo.
Bye.
How your night doing? Everything good? Y'all live your life? Where you guys come from? Where you come from? New York? What it do, girl?
What it do?
Where everything, where y'all go on with? Let me talk to you at some time. So you ask for man at some time now?
What you saying?
Yo, wagwan, my girl.
Huh?
Mr. Wagwan.
What?
You not understand me, I say?
Oh, sorry.
Yo, wagwan, girl.
What up?
What you dealing with?
Nothing.
You chillin'? So like,
Huh?
yeah, you added time by accident. Now you stuck with me. That's too bad.
Oh, for real?
Y'all finna live with it, no, my girl. So hold on, let me ask you a question. How come you can't see? Why you not the dark?
Cause I'm laying down.
That don't mean nothing.
That means a lot.
No, it doesn't.
That means I gotta get up and turn off the light.
You know, I have one lamp next to you.
What happened?
I'm saying I have one lamp next to you.
Oh,
What kind of life y'all live, my girl?
where you from?
You tell me where me from.
I'm from Louisiana.
No, but tell me where me from.
I don't know where you from.
Make I guess, no man.
That's why I'm asking. Where you from?
But make I guess, me I say make I guess.
I can't guess. Your accent is like, I don't know.
You can't be that much of a buffoon. What's the accent?
It's weird. Like I never heard nobody talk like that before.
Oh, the bumble clan. You know what? Alright. Bumble cleat. Yo, wagwan.
It's daytime where you at or something?
This look like daytime, my girl. And she said me have on light.
Oh.
Hard time now?
Don't do
Hard
that.
time
Yeah.
now? You see? Them New York girl, them crazy, you know. That's why you can't talk to them or something. Nobody got them name off your head. Yo.
That's good.
What's good, girl? Where you depend? Where you come from?
Copy.
Where you come from? California. Alright. Yo, over. Eh?
Understand.
Oh, it sound like you said something to me. Say, wait, hold on. Yo.
Weird.
Wagwan, my girl.
What are you doing?
Chilling. You know what I'm saying? You pretty. Shit.
Thank you.
I tell them.